Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check the amount of RAM installed on your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G phone. So this is my Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G phone. So let us start. So first of all, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on it to open it. It's now opened, and after that just tap on this about phone and then tap on this all specs. And I have this all specs. This is screen opened, and on this screen you can see here we have this RAM. Okay, so I have 6 gigabytes of RAM installed on my Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G phone. You might have 8 gigabytes variant. So it's now done. After that you can go back again and close the settings app. So that's it. In this way you can easily check the amount of RAM installed on your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus 5G phone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.